Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I created this easy black smoky eye makeup. So if you guys are interested in knowing the look, then please keep watching, and if you are new here then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And without any further delay, let's get started. So I have already done my eyebrows and I'm going to go straight away and prime my eyelids. For that I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. You can also use a concealer to prime your eyelids, and I'm just going to spread that all over my eyelids and then set it with a loose powder. It's necessary that you set your concealer with a loose powder so that eyeshadows can blend easily. Then to create a base for my smoky eye look, I'm going to use this Maybelline gel eyeliner. You can also use a regular kajal for this, but I think gel eyeliner works best for myself. And then I'm going to place that eyeliner on my eyelids. I'm just making sure that I'm closer to the lash line so it doesn't create any gap, and you don't have to be precise with it because anyways we are going to smudge it. Then I'm taking this smudger brush to smudge my eyeliner all over my lids. You can also use a q-tip for this process, and make sure that you don't smudge over or beyond your crease line. Just make sure you are right under your crease line. Then I'm taking this flat eyeshadow brush. This is slightly fluffier also, and I'm going to dip that into this jet black eyeshadow, and I'm going to place that black eyeshadow right where we have just smudged the liner or the kajal. And make sure that you place it very nicely because we want that intense black color. And I'm just making sure that I have placed the color as I wanted, and I'm also going to blend the corners with the same brush. And then I'm taking this bigger blending brush and I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow, and I'm just dusting off the excess, and I'm going to place this eyeshadow, the brown eyeshadow, right into my crease and start blending it into my crease itself. I'm also making sure that the both colors, the black and the brown, blend into each other and there are no harsh lines seen, and they are nicely blended. Then I'm taking this brown orangey shade and I'm going to blend that shade right above the brown shade that is just above your crease. And then I'm going to apply a kajal on my lower waterline. And then I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm taking that brown eyeshadow first and going to smudge that on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to take that black eyeshadow next, and I'm going to also blend that on my lower lash line so it creates a great smoky effect on your lower lash line as well, and it looks like a completed eye makeup. Then I'm using this eyelash curler. So today I'm not going to use any falsies, so I curl my lashes with this curler. And then I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and I'm going to nicely coat my lashes with this mascara. You can use any product you have right now and start practicing this smoky eye look. It's very easy and very simple, and I'm making sure that my each and every lash is coated with the mascara. And I'm also going to apply the mascara on my lower lash lines as well. Then to highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and I'm going to highlight in my inner corner and also my brow bone. And guys, this is the final look. I just created this easy smoky eye look, and I am happy with the results. And you can also create this a look, and if you recreate, then don't forget to tag me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.